Wow.
Snakes are a group of reptiles found all over the world, with the exception of Antarctica. They are elongated and legless, and they have a long, flexible body that allows them to move quickly and easily. Snakes are known for their ability to swallow prey whole, and they have highly developed senses, including a keen sense of smell and the ability to detect heat with their tongues. There are over 3,000 species of snakes, and they come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and colors. Some snakes, such as the python and boa constrictor, are non-venomous and kill their prey by squeezing it to death. Other snakes, such as the cobra and viper, are venomous and can be dangerous to humans. Snakes play an important role in many ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey. They also have cultural significance in many societies, appearing in myths, legends, and religious beliefs. Despite their reputation as dangerous creatures, snakes are an essential part of the natural world and play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems.